got a pretty cool lineup here. Everybody's already overheating. I can smell Damien's coolant. So yeah, oh, there's Damien. Look at that love. Here at a parade in New Jersey, and yeah, going really slow. I have the windows down, but I have the AC on so I don't bake. The following video is gonna be the last video for the little series that I have for H-Town. That drive to Texas was long. Maybe fly next time.
Your AC on?
Yeah, I have my AC on. And I'm actually recording. I forgot my camera, so.
I got mine.
You got yours? Well, I'll get some of your footage. But yeah, like I'm recording on the phone right now. And that's Damien, and that's Kit, by the way. Check that out. I found another use for the line lock. Pretty much you get the pace, hold the button, and yeah, it takes you all the way down at the cruising speed of the parade. Oh look, Jason! What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Whoop! Officer said small little burnout. So welcome back to the channel. Today is day 6 in Texas. We finished most everything on his car that we planned on. Hold on a second. They're looking for somebody. But anyway, so on the way down here I had an issue where I lost power to the pump. It doesn't prime. You can't jump it from behind the alternator. And I've been troubleshooting it this morning. I'm actually sweating my ass off because it's hot. But I finally narrowed it down to the bulkhead connector behind the firewall, which I will show you. So finally narrowed it down to the fuse block back here, and I'm assuming that the cable broke at the connection to the fuse block. So pretty much from here, from here to the relay I have continuity. Relay turns on, everything works as it should. There's signal from the ECM, there's power to the live side of the relay, and then ground. So pretty much power comes all the way to here, and from here, where it's supposed to go to the next harness that goes along the door, through a connector right here, into the trunk, and to this connector right here, to this gold wire. So I removed the block over there. I couldn't get it to there's no way for me to fix it. So just to get me home, and I figured that I showed you guys this because it may help you in the future, I ended up jumping the parking light to the fuel pump. So pretty much when I turn on the parking light switch, it turns on the fuel pump and I have fuel. Now the reason why I can do this is because I have a hot wire kit. So you can see it here, and the hot wire kit literally turns on this relay that gets power directly from the alternator. Otherwise you wouldn't be able to do this, because then you would burn up your light circuit, unless it could take the load. I'm not sure. I wouldn't recommend it anyways. But yeah, so maybe this might help you in a pinch in the future. You never know. Something to keep in mind if you have a hot wire kit and you need to jump your fuel pump relay or a fuel pump signal. So one of the finishing touches before we wrap it up and I go back to Maryland was putting in the intercooler, running the lines, or running the pipes, and looking at a couple other little things. But I have to say, this thing is a monster. It's huge. But look at the fit on that. It's a really nice intercooler. Grill's back on. We're a little messy here, but running pipes. Finally got the nozzle on. We got the tune from Jack, so we're about to load that. We're running wires. Lots of things happening at the same time. We're gonna have to double check everything we do before we even start the car, but we're coming along. Right, Israel?
Yes, sir.
So here's this wastegate. This is a TO MVS. I believe it's a 38 millimeter, but I have the top off right here, so I can put the springs in. We're going with a yellow and a blue, 15, 16 psi. But this is what Israel's mechanic recommended, so this is what we're putting on. He got this downpipe where it's an external, but it's running off of the factory setup, and pretty much it's getting to a point where we're just waiting on the transmission. Today's my last day here, but we got a lot accomplished. Sadly, we could not get the car started, but we got a tune loaded, and after he puts the transmission on, plumps the turbo, and does a little things here and there, you should be able to start it. And I figure to take advantage and show you what's all inside of these, which is pretty much not very much. You got this membrane, then you got the piston driver, and this right here holds onto the shaft that holds onto the valve. So pretty much you take out those Allen wrenches, and that's how you replace your valve. But like I said, not much to these. Springs go right here. Hardest part is getting this to close again. And for that, I'm going to use the vise. I'm going to put a piece of cardboard here, a piece of cardboard there, cramp it up, make sure that I'm not pinching this, and that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's back together. This is under a lot of pressure now, and yeah, it's a pretty good trick there, so you don't scratch the top or the bottom of your wastegate.